So it's week 2 and we're still on like really repairing the van to how it should be. We've got a load of stuff ordered for the suspension and starter motor that's not turned up yet.
Nope.
But we've got a few bits to fit.
That'll be for next weekend then.
So I'm assuming it goes... Oops.
What was that?
Done.
Simple fix one. Now there's no holy moly there.
Apparently this comes out. So I was chatting to the guy where I bought the stuff from. This apparently comes out like that.
Oh, and what's that for?
This is to get these in.
Ah. Oh, that's simple. Oh, what we got? What presents have we got there this time?
Nothing, I don't know. So they look like Torx bits that I need to go and grab.
Okay.
This, we want to replace these. Managed to find some of these, but we need to take this off and then these just pull out. In fact, we only, well, I guess we do need to. Whenever you speak to somebody, you go and pick something up, you always learn something, because people with these vans tend to like sharing their experiences, so it's kind of nice, you know, sort of community. And you learn, you don't just pick up the part, you also learn how to do something.
Oh, so what fell off there? Remember what when that goes back in.
So he said they just pull out, and he was dead right. Have you got the new pieces?
I will have. Give me a second. Is it in? That's the address to the bishop.
That was in.
And it is. Have you got to connect them anywhere?
No, that's it.
Wait to get on new stereo, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that should actually. We need another bit. We need this bit as well, really, because this is broken.
Oh. Oh, bits of that.
Yeah, it's just this doesn't quite hold properly.
Oh.
Because there's a tab missing.
Let's not worry about the small little things like that.
Not for now.
Not for now.
Right, and then these back in. Right, while we're here, should we do the gear stick Gator? Or
Well, you're putting that top bit on first.
Oh yeah.
Hi.
So this I think goes under there. And then clips in.
Ta-da!
Done.
Just missing now the stereo. Yep.
So this is really naff. and someone's clearly just tried to just stick on the old.
Actually, where is that?
So someone obviously just tried to stick on this, and what they've done is they've filled in the screw. Now that looks like a Torx bit, and that's why I was looking for the other screwdriver, because I would have been able to see what, well, I might have been able to see what bit it was. So that looks like a T30, I guess. Yeah, a T30. I'm going to undo this. This whole kit came with screws and it came with a spring. I don't know where that's gone. So that's out. And that's off. There's the spring I can reuse. I can go in there.
Gator off. Manky old Gator. Nice new one.
Or as I called it earlier, Ali. I'm guessing that goes. I don't know if that's just a problem in the casing. I guess it is.
Oh, just a cheap one. Where did you get that from?
This was eBay.
Okay. Is it leather or not? Just like.
Sorry. So actually this has got to go in a particular way. There we go. Otherwise it doesn't work properly, as I've just discovered. So now I'm going to put that back on, put a screw back in. This did come with a new screw, as I may not have said.
And you got to take a bit of plastic off first. Just a question.
Whoops.
Have you ever broken it, have you?
No, not yet.
You're like a bull in a china shop, you are.
Well, I'm guessing it goes something like that.
Just to let you all know, we are not professionals in any
If you
way.
hadn't have already guessed.
We are amateurists. Finding out stuff on YouTube, watching lots of videos of how-tos.
There we go.
One shiny, nice, proper, finally, gear stick with the numbers. Very good. That's much better already. Doesn't it make such a difference?
Yeah.
Now what we've got to get next is, I would like a new steering wheel, because this one is like really quite worn out, but the cheaper way, I'm just going to get a steering wheel cover, but I haven't decided on which one yet.